You just have to wait for one person to walk by, or, you know, if you love each other, rub on each other going through. But anyway. Five things we like about our two trailers. I know, it's crazy. We have two trailers. So one we're getting ready to sell. That's kind of why it's a little dark, because they're picking it up tomorrow. And I have another trailer. So we're going to do the top 5 reasons that we love Davey. You know, that's the name for ours. But we love the other one too. So it's not that we like better, we just like different. So it's going to be the top 5 things that we like different about Davey 2. And also stay tuned, because we're going to have some bonus footage that we actually didn't have room for in our top 5, and there's going to be an honorable mention. So let's get started. It's going to be number 5. This is Davey. We love Davey, but you see this little narrow type of galley, and if you open up the door, you're going to see that it's a little bit narrow. Now, it never really bothered us, because we got along well enough most of the time, and you just have to wait for one person to walk by, or, you know, if you love each other, rub on each other going through. But anyway, this is the galley, number 5, but we like this better. So this is Davey 2, and as you'll notice, there's quite a bit more room in here, and so we like this different. So actually 2 people can walk through. We like that. So here we go. Number 4. So we're back in Davey 1. So we love the air conditioner. There's no doubt about that. Air conditioner is great. It is colder than a well digger's, you know. So the problem we have with that is there's a TV there. And so with the TV and the air conditioner, it's very, very loud in here. So we like that, and it's okay, but we like this better. And here we are in Davey 2, and this is central air conditioning. Yes, we like this. We like the ducted air conditioner. It's much more efficient, and on top of that, it has vent that will blow on us in bed. So it's much quieter. We like that better. Moving on, number 3. We love Davey, of course. This is our baby. We love Davey. Look at the decoration. Look what she's done in here. Looks like a lodge. We call it like our little lodge. But in here, as you will see, I'm almost 6 foot tall. So there is very little room in here. It's a little short, but it's cozy, you know. But we like this better. Here we are, Davey 2, and as you see, look at this. 6'9" ceilings. Yes, we like this a lot. It gives us a lot of space, and it gives us it just looks bigger because it is, for one thing, but it just has that high ceiling feel to it in here, and we really, really like that. So what do you think is going to be number 1? We'll find out. But for now, here comes number 2. But there's something missing in Davey 1 that was brought to my attention by my lovely bride, because my lovely bride can sometimes be a little hoity-toity. Okay, I said it. Hoity-toity. Yes. So, but we like this better. Here we are in D2, and you'll notice that there is a sink in the bathroom. Yes. For some people, it's no big deal, but if you're getting older like I am, and you have to brush your teeth and spit in the sink, and all your hair falls in the sink right next to all the food, I guess I have to hand it to her. That can be an issue. But we do love the sink in the bathroom. Okay, number 1, here we go. And before I say number 1, I want you guys to stop, pause the video, go and subscribe to the video right now. I'm going to wait for you. Number 1 on the top 5 between Davey and Davey 2. So here we are again in Davey 1. We love Davey. So comfortable. And if you notice, this bed is positioned across the trailer like this, which is awesome. Plenty of leg room. We love it. But the one issue is she sleeps over there. I sleep right here. She has to climb over me to go to the bathroom. So, and as you get older, you're going to be doing that more and more. So anywho, we like this better. So here we are in Davey 2. Of course, it's still under construction because we just got it. Look at all this. We've got to put up that TV and we put up all this stuff. Crazy. Anywho, check it out. Here's the bed facing this way, and beside it, yes, walk around bed. They call it a walk around even though it has this right there, but still it's a scoot and walk around. Scoot and walk around. We love that. We really, really love that. And so anyway, that is number 1, is the walk around bed. And now for the honorable mention, here we go. So check it out. I'm shoulder to shoulder with our door here. So yes, so I kind of have to go out on a side to go down out of the door, even though it's okay, you know, it's fine. We did that. And on top of that, this door that doesn't open all the way, we prefer a door that kind of does open all the way. So anywho, we like this better. Look how wide this door is. Shoulder to shoulder. Look at that. Shoulder to shoulder. Plenty of room. We really, really like this. I didn't know how much I was going to like a wider door until I got it. And so, like, bounding in and out of the door, and also, like I was saying, the door, it opens all the way. And so we like that much better. So, and I also promise you just a little bit more bonus footage, and away we go. Okay, so here we go for the bonus footage. It's going to be 3 quick ones for you. It's very, very important for me to stand on a roof. I mean, you have to do your maintenance, and you have to do your cleaning. You have to do your treatment of your roof. I mean, it's so important to have a walk-on roof in here. So we really love this fan. So it's not a fantastic fan, but check it out. Oh, and I wanted to let you know, just for a bonus, this opens up and I put a cover on the top of it, and that is awesome. So you can like drive with it open, and it sucks all the odors out of here. And also when it rains, it doesn't come down inside. You can leave it open, which is killer. And this fan, it's pretty awesome. I didn't think it was going to suck as hard as it did, you know. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to try and show you if we can get it. So you see that awning? The awning on this 22 footer, it goes all the way from the back of the camper all the way to this front window. And that causes all of this entire front of this Davey 2 to be completely in shade, including those 2 windows. And we really, really love that. And on Davey 1, I'll show you. On Davey 1, you'll see that the awning, it goes on this side of the window. And man, this outside light is going to flare. And it goes all the way back, and you're gonna see right here where it stops there and goes and leaves that window, so there's no covering on it, so it's not the complete side. So there you have it. So hey, I appreciate you watching the Art of RVing. Fantastic. If you would go below and comment, that means so much to me when you comment, so we can learn from each other. So okay, later.